Australian Jock Palfreeman had recently celebrated his 21st birthday. He'd just joined the British Army and chose to spend the Christmas break in Bulgaria. Andrei Monov was just a year younger, a student at one of Bulgaria's most prestigious law schools.
He was a very peaceful person. He did not fight, he did not argue.
He was a great person and he was like the best friend ever.
Gabriela Vidanova was one of Andrei Monov's closest friends. She's taking us to the scene of the crime.
I can't explain to myself why he's walking around in the center of a European capital with a knife. And I saw the knife. It's so big. And he said in front of the court that he bought it to cut a breath with it. Come on, you have to see the knife. You cannot use it. It's like made for murders and for killing people. It's a huge and scary knife.
What's scary to Simon Palfreeman as he enters court for the final day of the appeal is the idea of his son spending the rest of his life in jail.
I feel for the Monovs, the fact that they've lost their son, that has to be acknowledged. But the reality is I've got a son too and I don't want to lose him. And I think this is what this is about.
Jock Palfreeman used his final address to the appeal court to tell the judges he only pulled out his knife after going to the aid of two Roma gypsies who were being attacked.
There were two critical issues that occurred, and which is what I tried to convey to the court. One was that this group, unprovoked and in a drunken state, attacked two Roma boys, and Jock went to help. That's the first fact, and I think that no logical looking at the evidence could actually dispute that. And the second is that the group then turned on Jock and there was a violent confrontation.
The defence wants the murder conviction overturned and a reduced jail term. But even if they get that, the prosecution says they'll take it to Bulgaria's Supreme Court in their effort to have Jock Palfreeman put away for life. Bulgaria's leading human rights group is in regular contact with the young Australian. They believe the trial has been grossly unfair because it overlooked critical evidence like the CCTV footage from the scene. There has also been widespread speculation that Hristo Monov, Andrei Monov's father, has used his political influence to sway the judges.
Mr. Monov, the father, was deputy head of the Child Protection Agency, which is a high office in the government. And this is an influential position. You don't get this position without the necessary political connections.
Ivailo Iliev misses his friend. He won't accept that Jock Palfreeman is anything but a murderer.
My friend was stabbed in the heart. You don't stab a person in the heart for self-defense. You don't do it. That's not what me and our friends would do. We're not carrying knives, we're not fighting, we're just normal people.
Do you think Jock Palfreeman should be in jail for the rest of his life?
Yes. I never ever saw him sorry for what he did. Never ever.
The three appeal court judges say they'll deliver their decision within a month. Emma Alberici, ABC News, Sofia, Bulgaria.